boys, this is part 2 on the Icom PS-55 power supply. So I know it's got a thumbs down on the video. Oh well. So today I decided to look at this again, and I kind of figured it was coming from the board problem. Well, it just so happens that I found a problem with the front board. An actual problem with the front board. You see right along here. Let's zoom in here. Right across there. There is a fracture of the circuit board. And upon a further investigation, I looked at the front panel. I didn't see it originally, but you can also see the plastic. See the plastic's all rooted up and stuff there? And it's also split into plastic as well. You guessed it. This power supply was dropped at some point. And I'm willing to bet that when this was dropped, that's when this power supply failed. And of course everybody decides, okay, it's the output transistors back here. And after checking them, replaced them probably about 3 dozen times, still couldn't get any sense of the power supply, so they gave up. That's my guess. You know, it's a guess. It goes wrong, but it's a guess. But anyway, so I said, to hell with it. I said, I'll take the front panel off. And I said, I'll take a look at that. The circuitry here, the parts, there's nothing here that's, you know, overheated. Nothing's burned up. Capacitors are actually a decent color, so yeah. What about you? You wanting to get on video, Tabby? Yeah? Crazy cat. Anyways, so yeah. So we have a split on the board here, and let's see if I can. I don't know if you can see this or not. When I press on the board, see, it'll separate. Oh, no, let's see. See that? I don't know how well you can see that. If you can see it at all, let's put it right here. Yeah, anyways, needless to say, it's split. So, anyways, we're going to fix this up. Because this halfway bridge rectifier, I was looking at the schematic. This supplies voltage to the the voltage regulation of the power supply. It controls this transistor, and it controls another one, over there. It also controls the voltage to the fan, as well as the 2 transistors back here. So yeah, with this halfway bridge rectifier damaged, yeah, making us wonder if this power supply is not working correctly. Now, I'm going to fix this. I'm still not guaranteed this is going to fix the issue, but it's definitely part of the issue. Anyways, let's get her done, as they say, and see what we can do with this board. Alright, so I cleaned off the enamel off the board, and I just reflowed solder on them, and then I put wiring across the traces, which will beef it up and, you know, support the rest of the circuitry. Hopefully the break right here won't, you know, go further down the board, but we'll hope it don't. Anyways, let's put her back together here now and see if we can't get a heartbeat out of this power supply. Alright boys, power supply is on, and I've done a voltage check. I've had her now turned on for at least an hour now since I fixed her up. Voltage is steady at 14.32 volts. That can be lowered there's a variable right there that adjusts your voltage. So technically you can drive it down to 13.8. But yeah, so all I did with the AC is just put the jumper in there. That turns on the power supply by putting the jumper in here. And yeah, that probe's on your red. The alligator clips to the negative, goes to the power supply, or the power supply to the meter, which is 14.32 volts. So the power supply is working normally. And all the time people have been in the back of the power supply here messing around with all this back here, the problem was with the circuit board the whole entire time. Goes to show, boys. Anyways, so yeah, I did confirm, not really confirm, I suppose. I did talk to the owner, and you've had the power supply now a while, and it never worked from day one when he received it. Basically, power supply came from the mainland. Apparently, there was something up even then, it wasn't working right. So we're figuring at some point or the other. So far, we know 3 people have actually owned this power supply. First person, it worked. Then it went to the second person. Not 100% sure if it worked then or not. But then it got shipped from the mainland to here. And it never worked. It was DOA on arrival. So in any event, the power supply was dropped. It was dropped on this side, which drove the whole front of the power supply arms over kittle, and twisted it this way. And of course, that's what twisted the board and snapped her over here by the halfway bridge rectifier, which I now have all patched up with heavy duty wiring. So that shouldn't cause any more issues. Especially with current, the wires are heavy enough to handle any current that's going to be drawn on this. But yeah, that's one Icom PS-55 power supply, fully repaired and ready for battle. All that, guys. Take it easy.